Good morning. We got B today working on fall cleanup here at this property. We got lots of leaves out back here. Lots of leaves out there. Look at that. And then you guys got a little insight. Look at this birdhouse that I've created. What do you think of that? Huh? That's kind of fun, right? We recently just purchased that house as well. That's getting a roof installed right now. That team is there. They're getting that done. Actually, in fact, this weekend we're also going to be taking down that deck. We got to put up a Trex deck. We're going to be doing that soon. On the front side of that house this weekend, we're also going to be doing some painting. We got to paint the garage doors, the front door, and shutters. Actually, I got to order those shutters. I forgot about that. So that's what's happening here. I'm also going to be heading off to another job site. We're going to try to finish a deck out of town right now. Hopefully we can get that taken care of. The other job site we have out of town, we call it the schoolhouse. That one is kind of at a standstill. We're kind of waiting for some kitchen cabinets, and then of course we're going to do countertops in there. That's kind of holding us up currently. And then after we're done with that, then we get to put the flooring in, so we'll have that. But so that job site's kind of on hold for now, but that's where we're at. That's what we're going to be doing today, so follow along.